Hello, my sweet angels, welcome back. It's been so long, I realize, since I've done what I eat in a day. I guess this is a lie, it's not actually what I eat in a day. I'd like to choose different meals. I'll put them into this format because it's nice, but you also don't need to base what you're eating off of me. So therefore, that's this format. I feel like this year has been weird. I kind of went through a phase of not cooking as much. Just don't enjoy cooking as much when I'm alone and just cooking for myself. But I was reading a book the other day. It was talking about cooking specifically, and I was just reminding myself how much joy I actually get from cooking and always have, and I've just always really loved cooking as one of my hobbies. So I feel like I'm trying to do it a little bit more and branch out with some of my meals. And yeah, I just wanted to do a little intro here and hope you enjoy.
Sisters once in Daddy's photo albums. Beside the pyramids they sleep. My nephews learn to cook and read. These crocodile ears catch up to the crocodile tears in my zoo. I want to break the glass, I want to be your friend, but don't know how. I want to hold your baby's hand. You were so little when we met. Your eyes were green, you played with sand. You named the dogs in Grandma's ranch. You love them like you love your dad. Your daddy taught you right from wrong. Your daddy never left the house. You never asked him to come home. That's why you love him so. That's why.
So I just finished working out. Today was leg and glute day. It went pretty well. I always like leg and glute days. Easier for me. Arm day, I'm always struggling. I'm gonna make my protein smoothie. I always make a little protein smoothie after I work out now because I'm trying to get gains, get strong. The recipe that I make is so good. I've definitely shown it before, but if you haven't made it yet, you should try it. It's the combo. It's just so good. Gotta make that. Coincidentally, today's video is sponsored by Ritual, which is amazing. I'm obsessed with their protein powder. I used to think I didn't like vanilla protein powder, but I was wrong. It makes this smoothie taste so good. It tastes like dessert almost. It's just so good. And I'm obsessed with theirs. When I run out of it, I get sad very quickly and order more because I just this is my favorite protein powder. So yeah, I'm gonna make a smoothie. A little bit more on their protein. I use their Essential Protein 18+. It contains 9 essential amino acids. It provides a complete amino acid profile, helping to build lean muscle mass, satisfy appetite, and bone health. It contains 20 grams of vegan pea protein. It supports bone health, is soy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan-friendly, and formulated with non-GMO ingredients. And their protein is also traceable, so if you go onto their website, you can see where they trace their ingredients from, and it's sweetened with fermented sugarcane and monk fruit. You have probably heard of their vitamins as well. I have been taking their vitamins for a long time, and them coming out with protein is just amazing. I have a good discount code for you. You can get 40% off during your first month if you go to ritual.com/WIL40 and use the code WIL40 at checkout. this. I got an air fryer for my birthday, which was a surprise, but I was not mad about it because I used to have an air fryer. I used it all the time, and then one day it broke and I just never replaced it. And I love air fryers. They make everything so much easier. You can definitely make buffalo cauliflower in the oven. It's not as good, but it's still good. I threw the Brussels sprouts in at the end once like the batter had cooked, so it didn't get all over the Brussels sprouts. Let's see how they are. Chickpeas for a little protein. It's almost already getting dark out, which like the winter is making me so sad already. Literally like 3:30.
It's a shame to think that what once a year is now